Your LinkedIn banner may seem like just a background image, but what if I told you that it's one of your secret weapons that is the bridge between you and endless opportunities? In this video, I'm going to reveal 5 secrets to create a killer LinkedIn banner that no one talks about. These secrets can skyrocket your job search and personal brand and make you irresistible to recruiters and clients. And keep watching till the end of this video, because I will give you a bonus that if you don't use, all of the work that you've put into your banner will be a waste. Now, imagine you're a recruiter scrolling through LinkedIn profiles, trying to find that perfect candidate. And suddenly, a profile with a stunning professional banner catches your eye. You don't scroll away. You're intrigued. That's the power of a great LinkedIn banner. It will get your foot in the door. And here's exactly how you can make yours unforgettable to recruiters. Secret 1. Most people treat their banner as a pretty picture. Don't be most people. Use your banner to drive action. Add a clear call to action that tells visitors what to do next. Whether it's looking at your portfolio or messaging you for opportunities, guide them. Think of it as a silent salesperson working for you around the clock. Now, before we go to secret number 2, I have a goal of reaching 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. So make sure you're subscribed so I can help you land your dream job. On to secret 2. The first thing people notice isn't your headline or your photo, it's your banner. So your banner is a part of your digital handshake, your elevator pitch, and your entire story all rolled into one photo. Resume writers that tell you that your banner is not important are not in your best interest. Also, don't use a blank or a generic stock image. That's like showing up to an interview in sweatpants. Instead, use visuals and concise text to highlight your expertise, values, and your unique selling proposition, which is called a USP. A good rule of thumb is to keep your USP short and impactful, anywhere between 1 to 3 sentences max. Secret number 3. Have you ever seen a blurry or a cropped banner? Instant turn off to recruiters. The magic number here is 1584 and 396. Those are the pixels that LinkedIn requires of you for your banner. Anything less and your banner will look super stretched out or pixelated, and anything more, LinkedIn's compression will ruin the quality. So here's a pro tip for you. You can use Canva or Adobe Photoshop to create high quality banners in minutes. And remember to stick with PNGs or JPEGs under 8 megabits for the best results. Also, if you're stuck in your career and feel like you need some help, message me on Instagram at Mr. Career Coach. If you'd like to discuss how to grow in your career, then feel free to book a call with the link below. On to secret number 4. Let's be real, trust is everything. Your banner is your biggest trust signal. Add logos of companies that you've worked with, awards that you've won, or even client testimonials. This instantly boosts credibility and shows visitors why they should connect with you and message you. Imagine a recruiter seeing a banner that says, worked at company 1, company 2, and company 3. They're impressed. Game over for your competitors. Secret number 5. Did you know that over 70% of all LinkedIn users access the platform via their phone? This means that your perfectly designed banner might look amazing on a computer, but look horrible on a phone. To ensure that your banner shines everywhere, focus on the safe zone, the central area of the banner that won't be hidden by your profile photo or any other items on the screen. Avoid placing crucial text or visuals at the edge, as they may get cut off. And test your design by uploading it and previewing it on both desktop and mobile to confirm that key elements like your name, your title, and your CTA are always visible. And now, since you've stuck with me this far, you are in for a treat. Like I said, most people design their LinkedIn banners only to find their key messages being cropped off or blocked by their profile photo. Here's the secret to making sure that every single element is visible at all times. Use this safe zone to design your banner. Place your USP, your CTA, or any other critical details in this central area. This is the area that is unaffected by cropping on mobile or desktop. You can download this safe zone in the link below. And there you have it, 5 LinkedIn banner secrets that will make your banner phenomenal. But remember, even the best banner won't save you if your headline is not optimized. So click on this video right here to learn how to make a SEO optimized LinkedIn headline.